Adapting to curveballs. Unexpected questions on test day. Hello learners. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most nerve-wracking aspects of the TOEFL and IELTS speaking section. Unexpected questions. We've all been there. You've prepared for days, weeks, or even months, but on test day, you get thrown a curveball. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with strategies to handle any unexpected question with grace and confidence. It's essential to grasp that these exams aren't trying to trick you. Instead, they aim to assess your real-time English comprehension and response capabilities. Unexpected questions. 1. Ensure that candidates have a broad knowledge of the language. 2. Test the ability to think on the spot in English. 3. Ensure authentic responses, not rehearsed ones. It's natural to feel a momentary panic when faced with an unexpected question. However, taking a deep breath and giving yourself a few seconds to think can help immensely. Remember, it's okay to take a brief pause. Your reaction to the question is as important as the answer itself. While it's okay to use fillers like you know, or well, occasionally, relying on them too much can make you seem less confident. Instead, take a short pause, formulate a basic answer in your mind. Then, begin speaking. Sometimes, the stress can make you overanalyze a question. Stick to answering what is directly asked, avoiding the trap of giving too much unrelated information. Keeping your response structured, start with a main point and then provide supporting details. If you're genuinely unfamiliar with a topic, it's okay to admit it. However, try to relate it to something you know. I'm not familiar with that specific topic, but it reminds me of. This approach shows that you can understand and respond in English, even if the content is foreign to you. While you can't predict every question, practicing with a wide variety of topics will increase your comfort level with diverse subjects, improve your ability to think and respond quickly. Facing unexpected questions can be challenging, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can navigate them confidently. Remember, the TOEFL and IELTS are testing your English skills, not your knowledge on a specific topic. Stay calm, believe in your preparation, and give it your best shot. We hope these strategies will be a game changer for your upcoming tests. Happy learning!